Chew on these numbers for a second. There are about 3.2 billion people online, and a whopping 2.3 billion of them are already on social media. That's absolutely staggering. So let me ask you a question. Is your business succeeding with social media marketing? Because if it's not, you're missing a huge opportunity to drive traffic, grow your subscribers, build your brand, and get more sales. Now, you've probably kicked around the idea of starting up some social media marketing. Maybe you've even signed up for a few accounts, but your results have been kind of meh. It's like everyone talks about the power of social media, but you're just not seeing it. The whole thing seems kind of mystical. It's like social media is the magical Excalibur, the sword and the stone. And you've been trying to pull it out of that stone for what seems like ages, but no luck so far. Until now, because you just stumbled on the key to unlocking social media's full potential. If you're a small business owner, either online or offline, an entrepreneur, an author, a marketer, or anyone else who needs to promote a business, product, service, cause, or idea, then social media is where it's at. And you're about to find out how to use the right way to connect with your prospects and grow your business. So let me tell you this up front. You don't need any experience to run a mega successful social media campaign. You don't need an ad budget to run a social media campaign. You don't even need much time because you can do it in just a few hours per week. All you need to get started is our social media course, which you can get instant access to below this video. You've probably seen plenty of social media guides before, but this one is different. Here's why. This course is all about turning your social media strategy into real, measurable results for your business. You see, most books out there focus on the metrics that don't really mean much. They'll tell you how to build big networks, they'll tell you how to get lots of likes, but none of that turns into real traffic, brand awareness, or sales, unless you have a very specific strategy, and that's what this course shows you how to do. You'll find out how to build your networks and turn those fans, followers, and likes into cash in the bank. Best of all, you can create and implement your own custom social media strategy fast. So let me give you a quick sneak peek at what you'll get. First up, you'll nail down your exact social media goals and objectives. Did you know there are over a dozen key ways to use social media to grow your business? It's true. Most people only know about a handful of them. But once you know them all, then you'll be able to create a strategy that fully unleashes the true power of social media. Next, we're going to find out who your audience really is. No crystal ball, no reading tea leaves, no half-hearted guesses. Inside this section, you'll find out exactly who your audience is and what they want. Once you have this amazing insight, you can create a social media strategy that's designed to really connect with them and deliver great results for you. And here's something else. Once you've got a good profile of your audience, then you can jump on the social media platforms where your audience is already known to hang out. See, here's the thing. There are lots of social media sites online. Hundreds. You could start signing up for them right this moment, and it would take days or weeks to get through them all. Ain't nobody got time for that. Because you know what? Most of the social media sites won't do squat for your business. That's why this course reveals to you the 7 best social media sites on the planet, and exactly how they rate in terms of benefits such as traffic and branding. Did you know there is one platform that stands head and shoulders above the rest if you want to build your brand and establish authority in your market? Our course tells you which one it is. There's another site whose key demographic is overwhelmingly women, and it's probably not the site you have in mind. We'll show you which one it is and how to tap into that eager user base. There's still another site you absolutely need to use if you have a local business and you want to bring foot traffic into your store, and we reveal which one this is too. The course takes you on a tour of all these sites and more. In turn, you'll be able to confidently choose the right social media platforms that are a great fit for your audience and business. And that means great results on all your business metrics. Now, once your social media platforms are all set up and you're ready to roll, then you'll find out how to get the best ROI for every minute you invest in social media. You'll discover how to maximize your content and get more created faster. How to get more likes, more shares, more comments, and more viral activity for every post. These are the secrets of posting the right content at the right time. You'll also discover how to get more leads and more buyers clicking through your site. And here's something else. You'll discover how to grow your social media channels using your existing visitors and web properties. You'll learn about simple ways that take less than 2 minutes to implement. You can do it today, right now, You'll also find out how to automate and optimize as much as possible, along with links to over 30 tools to help you with content creation, tracking your results, and automated posting. These tools will save you time, make it easier than ever to manage your social channels, and help you get crazy good results from your efforts. Plus, you'll get clear, step-by-step instructions for putting all these pieces together, so you can create a custom strategy that delivers great results for your business. So tell you what, by the time you breeze your way through this jam-packed program, you're going to finally know how to create and unleash a social media strategy that really works for you. No more wasted hours trying to make sense of it all yourself. No more getting likes that don't translate into visitors, leads, or sales. No more building networks that look good on paper but do absolutely nothing to grow your business. Because starting today, you're going to get a complete step-by-step blueprint for creating a social media strategy that really works for you. These strategies will work for you no matter what business you're in now or plan to build in the future. So if you've ever wondered how to really tap into those 2.3 billion social media users and get them talking about your business, generate leads, drive traffic, build top-of-mind awareness, build authority, and get new customers, this is it. This is what you've been looking for. And when you click the buy button on this page, you'll get everything we've covered and more for just a simple, great value price. Stop and think for a moment about what one good customer is worth to you. I'm talking the kind of customer who's a total fan. This person snaps up everything you put on offer. This person tells their friends about you. This person generates more free advertising and referrals than anything you've done in the last week. How much is that person worth to you? Hundreds of dollars? Thousands of dollars? Whatever it is, it's a lot, right? Now think about this. That's the type of person you're going to attract to your business using the power of social media. This is the person who likes everything you post. They share your content and make going viral almost effortless. They buy your products. They tell their friends to buy your products. And I tell you what, if this course helps you find and attract just one person like that, then you'll instantly recoup the investment you make today. So listen, there are 2.3 billion social media users already out there, and this program shows you how to find them, grab their attention, get them talking about your business, and bring them into your store or website. So click the buy button below now to demystify social media and make it easier than you ever thought possible, because you're going to really like what it does for your business.